Hello guys, welcome to SOP Academy. So as you can see, Hexaware and Ecolite Digital have started off-campus hiring for the 2022 batch students. So first you will see the Hexaware recruitment page. So as you can see, they are hiring through the Superset platform. Let us first discuss about the Hexaware recruitment. They are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee for the 2022 batch students. The locations they are providing is Pan India in Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, and some other locations can be there. The CTC they are offering is 4 LPA, but for the first 6 months you will be on a stipend of 15,000. After that you will be getting your full CTC. There will be a service agreement of 2 years of 2 lakh bond. The job description is given. As a member of our tokenization team, you will be passionate around solving business problems through innovation and engineering practices. Gain deep knowledge in programming languages, program design, development procedures, and participate as directed in the complete software development life cycle. So these are some other like design, develop, and troubleshoot moderate to complex software applications. These are some of the job descriptions. Required skills, there is nothing mentioned here. Hiring workflow, first you will submit your application. After that you will have a pre-placement talk. There will be an online test. There will be another online test. Then there will be a technical interview, and there will be an HR interview. After that, if you clear, you will receive the offer. You have the job description here. Click on it. It gets downloaded. When you open the job description, so it mentions each and every point that you must note, like who can apply. You must be a BE BTech MCA student. ME MTech are not eligible from 2022 batch. Streams allowed are CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, ETC, EIE, and ICE, and allied branches are eligible. Mechanical civil allied branches are not eligible. You must have 60% or 6 CGPA throughout 10th, 12th, UG and PG. You must not have any active backlogs, and 1 year academic gap is allowed. Where you will work, Hexaware locations as I mentioned before. 3.5 L per annum on successful completion of training. So they mentioned 4 LPA. Here they have mentioned it's 4 LPA, but inside the PDF it is mentioned 3.5 LPA. So only Hexaware knows how much they're going to pay. So this is the JD. If you already have an account on Superset, then you can directly apply. Otherwise, you must first create a Superset account, then you can apply for this. The second company is Ecolite Digital. It is an off-campus drive for 2022 batch. So application deadline is 3rd January 2022. Hiring model 6 months internship like Hexaware only. January February 22 followed by full-time offer. So year of passing should be 2022. Percentage criteria 60% or 6 CGPA throughout your 10th, 12th and UG or PG. Date of joining is going to be either in January or February 2022. Job location is going to be Mumbai. The selection process is as follows. The first step is a Ecolite qualifier test which will comprise of MCQs and a coding round. Then after that there will be technical interviews. There are going to be 2 technical interviews and 1 HR interview. After that you will receive the offer. BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA, MSc are eligible. The CTC offered is 5 LPA and 8 LPA plus tenure bonus up to 3 lakhs. Stipend which you will get for the first 6 months is rupees 20,000 per month. So the skills they are demanding is knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, that is related to web development, excellent knowledge of SQL, good knowledge of regular expressions, strong DS algo and OOPS concepts, then knowledge of any programming language like C, C++, Python, Java, etc. The JD is mentioned. As a software developer, you will be the brain behind crafting, developing, testing, going live, and maintaining the system. Responsibilities are also mentioned. You have to fill out this form, like you will enter your email ID, your name, your mobile number, gender, your college name, the city of your college, the state of your college, then your course name, that is either BE BTech, MTech, MCA or any other. Course specializations, computer science, IT, ECE or related, mechanical or related. Year of passing must be 2022. You will enter your total or percentage CGPA. Then preferred coding language, you must enter Java, C, Python or C++. Are you open to work from Mumbai location? Yes. Then do you have any current offer in hand? Yes or no? Are you able for 6 months of internship starting from January or February 2022? So you have to submit this. Links for both the companies are given in the description, so check those out.